Let's solve the problem B from the weekly contest 396. The problem is minimum number of operations to make word k periodic. So after watching this video, if you unable to understand or if you have any doubts, you can comment it down. I will try to help you. Don't hesitate. Now first let's understand the problem statement clearly, then we will see the approach, how to solve these type of problems. Then we will see the high level of the coding part. First let's understand the problem. Here you are given a string word of length n and an integer k such that k divides n. You will give some word and you will give some length n and an integer k. That means consider n is equals to 10 and k is equals to 5 and my k divides n, that means 10 percentile 2 is equals to 0, that means n percentile k should be 0. Now in one operations you can pick any two indexes I and j, you can pick two indexes I and j that are divisible by k. That means suppose if your n is equals to 10, you can take 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, anything you can take as I and j. Now substring of length, this that is replace the substring I to I plus k minus 1, that means he is given the length 2. So if you are taking I as 0 comma 1 and j as 4 comma 5, so I will replace my 0 comma 1 with 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 is saying that if you take starting at I with substring k, that is replace substring word with the substring j. Now we need to return the minimum number of operations to make word k periodic. What is k periodic? Now if you see k periodic, we say that the word is k periodic if there is a substring s of length k, consider s is equals to abc, such that it can be obtained by concatenating s an arbitrary number of times. For example, ab given, then the word is 2 periodic for s is equals to ab. Now consider my s is equals to abc, then abc will be my k periodic. So here you need to calculate the minimum number of operations to make word k periodic. So you want minimum number of operations to make k periodic. Now consider my length as 9 and my k is equals to 3. So you can pick any these 3, right? You can pick 0, 1, 2, or you can pick 3, 4, 5, or you can pick 6, 7, 8. You can pick any of these 3 and you can replace it. You can modify it whatever you want. You can consider this I and j, or you can consider this j and this I. You can do anything. So what I will do is, first these are all my fixed. So what I will do, I will calculate, I will check whether how many times this occurrences 0, 1, 2 is occurring in the whole subarray. Then I will check 3, 4, 5 how many times it is occurring in the whole subarray. So I want to calculate the max frequency. If you calculate the max frequency, consider, suppose we have this as ABA and we have this as BCA and this is ABA, and it's better to replace BCA with ABA, right? Because you only need one operations here. Now if you are replacing ABA with BCA, you need to require two operations. So how can you determine this as a one operation? So I will calculate the frequencies of every substring. So I will calculate the frequencies of every substring of length k, and my I will be starting point of my divisors, which will be divisible by k. So I think you have got it what exactly we are doing. We will consider all these subarrays and we will calculate the how many times my maximum sub frequency for a substring occurred. So total count minus we will do max frequency, because this will give my minimum answer, right? Because we are maximum frequency, we are fixing it at every point. For every point we are fixing the maximum frequency and we are changing all other elements to maximum frequency. So my answer will be total minus maximum frequency. So I think you have got the logic. So if you understood the logic, try to code by yourself. So if you code and if you think, then your problem solving skills will improve. So if you are unable to code, let's see the coding part as well. Now it's simple. You will take the map is stored with string and an integer, and here we have maximum frequency. To check my maximum frequencies in the every block, consider k is equals to 3, it will start from 0, it will start from 3, 6 and 9. So these are all frequencies, and s dot substring of I comma k. I comma k, and I is equals to I plus k. You are jumping every time. You are jumping every time 3 characters. And MP of t plus plus, map of t plus plus, and you are calculating the maximum frequency, and your total count means total count is my block count. How many blocks are there? Consider if I have 4 blocks, and consider my 0 and 6, these are equal, ABA and ABA, these are all equal, and these are some difference, ABC, CDF, these are all different. So ABA is replaced with, so ABC is replaced with ABA, CDF is replaced with ABA. So here my maximum frequency will be 2, my total count will be 4, so 4 minus 2, so you require 2 operations to make every element k periodic with ABA. So I think you have got it, what exactly we are doing. I have tried my best to explain the solution in the best possible way. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the description, and if you have any questions, you can comment it down. If you learned something new from this video, please do like, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I have created a WhatsApp community. You can join there for further discussions. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.